the increasing order of reactivity of the following isomeric halides with AgNO3. Now in haloalkanes and haloarenes, the bond between R and Cl is covalent as compared to in inorganic compounds, say for example ammonium chloride. This bond between NH4 and Cl is ionic in nature. It will immediately ionize to form NH4 plus and Cl minus. Hence, when we add AgNO3, we immediately get AgCl precipitate. When we take covalent compounds like haloalkanes and haloarenes, as this is a covalent bond, it does not break that easily. We don't get chloride ion easily. When we can get chloride easily is when this part, the alkyl part or the aryl part, is forming a very stable carbocation. If this is forming a stable carbocation, bond breaks very easily and AgCl precipitate is seen, or we can say this compound reacts with AgNO3. When do we get a stable carbocation is when we have either benzyl or allyl or maybe a tertiary carbocation. And when is the carbocation not stable? When we have either vinyl or phenyl type of system. So that's what we need to check in this question. Each of the option we should see if there is something special about that carbon which is going to form carbocation. In my first option, if we take out Cl minus, we get a plus charge here. This carbon with a plus charge is attached to one carbon. That is, it is primary. There is a double bond, there is a phenyl, but it is nowhere near this primary carbocation. So it's neither benzyl or allyl. Coming to my second option, I have a chlorine attached to this carbon. This carbon is attached to two carbons. So it's a secondary carbocation which is going to be formed. I also see that this part is allyl and it is also in conjugation with this. This compound is like this. CH, double bond CH, CH, and I'll be getting a plus charge here and this one CH3. This positive charge is in conjugation with this double bond which is in conjugation with this benzene. A very stable system. So I will call it as allyl, and also this allyl is stable with is conjugated with benzene. Coming to third option, this is my carbon with chlorine. If this is gone, plus charge is formed here. This is vinyl. There is a double bond directly present on carbon, making it unstable. Coming to last option, this is my carbon with chlorine. If I remove this gets a plus charge. It's benzylic from here, it is benzylic from here, and it is allylic from here. Extremely stable because it has two benzyl and one allyl, and overall it's tertiary carbocation. So the most stable out of all this is this compound, most stable carbocation, meaning this bond will break very easily. This will react, Cl will react with AgNO3 very easily to give AgCl precipitate. That is 4 is the most reactive, followed by 2 because that is also allyl and it's also in conjugation with benzene, followed by first compound which is a primary compound, and last comes 3 because this is a vinyl type of system which is the least stable. So based on carbocation stability, we can write the order of reactivity. The one which forms the most stable carbocation is going to be the most reactive.